All right, let's get into this. This is going to be real quick, real easy. This is going to be a crash course on how to make real money drop shipping. And I'm going to show you how to do it quick and easy. Everything's going to be done for you. So first of all, I want to show you this resource. This resource, we are going to set you up with this resource for free, where you can set up your drop shipping. It's going to hook you up with suppliers from the USA, the United Kingdom, the European Union, Canada, and Australia. Everything is going to be done for you. The advantage here is you're going to be able to source all of these products. You sell the items first, and then you pay. So there's zero risk to you. You do not pay anything until after you have made money. Shipping is fast, 2 to 5 days shipping, so you're not dealing with any China sourcing where products aren't going to arrive to your customers for 30 to 60 days sometimes. Never do that. Never drop ship from China, because your payment processor is going to drop you when you just get a couple of complaints, because people order their items. It takes over a month to get there. In the meantime, they've forgotten they've even ordered it, and they file a chargeback on their credit card company, and the credit card company shuts you down. White labeling, that's coming, so you'll be able to have your own brand, your own label on all of the products. In a minute, I'm going to show you everything. This is very exciting. Grow your store catalog with zero upfront cost, wholesale prices, no storage fees, buyer protection, and everything is automated. It's automatically synced to your store. So when somebody orders something, the processing is automatic. It eliminates all of the headaches. So let me show you. Let's go into the catalog, because I actually want to show you some money-making examples of what you're going to get for free by using this gateway that we recommend. Check this out. All right, I've logged into my account, and I just want to show you a couple of the categories that I really like drop shipping. One is jewelry and watches. Why? Because there's a high perceived value. You can get high margins with jewelry and watches. And pet products. Why? Because people have an emotional connection to products that involve pets, and that makes it easy to sell. So I just want to come through here, and I want to show you this product right here. Now, the cool thing about this is you are going to be able to click one button and put this automatically into your Shopify store or your Etsy or whatever you want to do, right? You'll see once you get your free account set up. It's one-click integration. All of these images will be put into your store. The pricing will be set up. And again, this will be drop shipped. Wait a minute, I want to look at this. They've even got the sizing charts in here. Everything is in here ready to go with one click. Really cool. Your cost is only going to be $10.04 per unit. Let me show you what people are selling this for and how much they're making with this one item. All right, here we are on Etsy, and here is this same type of collar, right? It's this wide band collar. It's got the personalization on it, and they are selling it for $21.86. Now, here's what I want you to look at. This store has made 42,706 sales with all 5-star ratings and reviews. Now, because we see 42,000 sales up here, that doesn't mean that they've sold 42,000 of this item. They have other items. If we go into their store, we can see they have a bunch of different styles of dog collars. So they've made individual listings for the dog collars and the dog leashes in this type of pattern, right? This is just one of the listings. So if we scroll down here, we can see reviews for this exact item, 4,165. So they have sold 4,165 of these at $21.86. Now remember, our cost on this is drop shipped, where everybody else does the work. Our cost on this is only $10.04. So our profit margin per piece is going to be $11.82. So if we do a little rough math here, $11.82. Now, here's something I want you to be aware of. These are just the reviews. Typically, there are many more sales than there are reviews for the item because a lot of people just will not make a review. So I'm going to go with the lowest number here, $41.65 times $11.82 comes out to $49,230.30 for this one item, drop shipping. And that's all they did was they just put this up on Etsy. And we've got our source ready to go. We don't have to go out of pocket to make this product. We don't have to deal with shipping this product. The only thing we have to do is come here and emulate what this person has done. So all we need to do is create a listing very similar to this one. So we'll come in here and set this up in the exact way that this person has done. And we'll add other items to our store, just like this person has done. We'll make other listings with different designs. Very simple, very easy. This is money in the bank. Now this is Etsy. You can do the same thing with a Shopify store. And I love items like this because they are so easy to advertise on TikTok. TikTok advertising right now is hotter than a pistol. But you can also do Facebook ads in Facebook groups. For instance, all kinds of pet groups target the Facebook pet niche, and you've got money coming in every single day. All right, let's go on and look at some other items. All right, let's keep going. Take a look at this. Extra tiny initial necklace. So this is just an initial on a necklace, and they're getting $32.40 for it. But they have sold a ton of these. Reviews for this item, 1,787. Now, I did some other research, and I found out how many they have sold of this product. I looked into my spy tool, and they've sold a ton of these. They haven't gotten that many reviews. But I'm just going to use their review number. Now, look at this. It's just a really tiny thing. It doesn't even say that it is real sterling silver. So this is just some kind of base metal. Now look at what we've got access to. Just going into my dropship database here. Remember, I'm going to set you up with this for free. I just did a search for initial necklace with initial, and I've come up with this one. And of course, you can get any letters, but these are sterling silver. Like this one is sterling silver, real sterling silver. So it's not just a base metal. And we know that initial jewelry with initials on it, has a huge demand, right? And one click, we can set this up in our Shopify store, or we can sell it on Etsy or whatever we want to do, right? Our cost is $14.11, drop shipped. So this company is going to package it. It's going to ship it for $14.11, right? Now, let's go back and look at the Etsy listing again. All right, here's the Etsy listing for this little tiny one in just a base metal. $32.40 minus our cost, which was $14.11, gives us a profit margin of $18.29 per unit. Now, this guy conservatively sold 1,787 of these. Let's do a little quick math, and that'll tell us that this item, this one item, brought this vendor $32,684.23. Potentially. Now, again, it's a little different. This item is not exactly the same. It's different because it's really small, as you can see here. I think our version will sell better because it's sterling silver. It's got an advantage. And again, you can get this in any different letter that you need. So here's all these different letters. You can even get it with rhinestones. This is money. You just build up stores using this platform and you can make bank. So yeah, with our platform, with this platform, the platform that we use, we can make great money, and we can do it easily using this resource because it's a clearinghouse for people that drop ship, and it's not coming from China. So I'm just going to go through there's everything in here. You can see it's just a million different products in a million different niches. It goes on and on and on. I mean, they even had a Banksy painting in here, which really caught my eye. For $20, this Banksy painting, I think these things could sell. But, you know, I'm inclined to just like these kind of weird things. But anyway, there are all these different categories, everything from furniture, tools, home garden, fashion, pets, jewelry. It goes on and on and on. Now, I will say that not everything in here has profit potential. This is a clearinghouse that you need to use, but you also need to use your due diligence and do a little bit of research. Some things in here are too expensive. Like, for example, this iPhone case for $10, that seems way too expensive for me. But on the other hand, there are a lot of things in here that will make you huge money. So many great items that will make you great money. But what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to come here and you're going to have to sign up for your free account and take this for a test spin. So yeah, there's so much potential on this platform for you to make great money. You have to do your due diligence. What I suggest you do is go on to TikTok and search TikTok made me buy it and find the hot products that are selling on TikTok right now, and come in here, set up your free account, come in here and find the product here from the drop shipper, and boom, you've got money. If you can't find the exact product, you can find something really similar. There are a million products in here that can make you a ton of money. A ton of money. And it's just simple drop shipping. I know kids that are 19 years old using this and making huge money. You wouldn't believe how much money they're making. It's amazing. But anyway, below this video, there's a link. Click on that link, create your free account, come in here, browse through this catalog, do some research, find products that have a good profit margin, and simply start putting them out there. It doesn't cost you anything to try, and you don't have to pay a nickel for these products until you have them pre-sold. So it's a zero risk proposition. It's like getting a free pull at the slot machine. Anyway, there it is, guys. click the link below, get in action, get start making money like we do, and you will be really amazed at what you can accomplish with this simple free app. Cheers.